Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Windows 11 officially. Stop using a fake one, just download the original of Windows 11 from the Microsoft.com. You can download it for free, yeah, but you need to purchase the product key to activate it. So let's start by you can download Windows 11 installation assistant. The assistant is for those who wish to upgrade your Windows 10 PC to Windows 11, not a clean install one. And then here, before you begin, you have Windows 10 license. Your PC must have Windows 10 version 2004 or higher installed to run installation assistant. And your PC must have 9 GB of free disk space to download Windows 11. And here, after you download the installation assistant, you can select run and then accept install. Want the tool ready, click restart now and make sure you don't turn off your PC. And here, how you can create Windows installation media. Prepare the USB stick or DVD or any kind of external drive that you have. And also an internet connection to download a Windows 11 or 10. And here we go, using the media creation tool, create installation media. You can run the media creation tool, accept it, agree of license terms, and create installation media for another PC and select next. You can select which media you want to use, for example, USB flash drive. And after installation media created, follow the steps below. You can update it, check for updates. And here we go, attach the USB flash drive and insert DVD on the PC where you want to install Windows 11 and then restart. And go to the BIOS setting and choose the USB or DVD to boot your Windows. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next